In problem 31, it gives us a scenario with a boat needing rescuing from two different service stations. So the problem statement says that a Coast Guard station, Able, is located 180 meters due south of Baker. A ship at sea sends an SOS signal which is received by each station. The call to station Able is indicated that the ship is located north 55 degrees east. So B equals 55 degrees. The call to station Baker indicates that the ship is located south 60 degrees east. So angle A is 60 degrees. Using this information, we need to first solve for how far is each station from the ship, and then depending on which one is closer, how long would it take a rescue helicopter to get there. So first, let's solve for side B and side A. Okay, so since we know two angles, we can solve for our third angle by, of course, subtracting them from 180. And we get that angle L is 65 degrees. So this angle right here is 65 degrees. Knowing that, we now have the angle and the side opposite that angle. We can apply law of sines to find the two different sides. So let's first solve for side B. So sine of 65 degrees over 180 equals sine of angle B, which is 55 degrees, divided by B. So let's solve for B. B equals 180 times sine of 55 degrees divided by sine of 65 degrees. So if we plug this in the calculator and solve for it, we would see that B is 172 miles. Right on the dot. Now, when we move up, let's solve for side A. Okay, to set it up first, we need to use this law of sines again. So we have sine of 65 degrees over 180 equals sine of angle A is 60 degrees divided by side A, which is what we're solving for. So A equals 180 times sine of 60 degrees divided by sine of 65 degrees. So with that, we find that A is 162.69 miles. So this is the distance from Able to the ship, and this is the distance from Baker to the ship. So since this is the smaller one, the helicopter would fly this many miles. Since this is the smaller one, the helicopter would fly this many miles to get to the ship. So having been told that a helicopter can fly 200 miles per hour, it now wants to know how long it would take the helicopter to get there in minutes. So if we divide this by the speed that the helicopter flies at, 162.69, and the speed of the helicopter is 200, we get 0.181345 hours. Now we need that in minutes. So multiply that by 60, 0.81345 times 60, and we get that it is 48.807 minutes. Because 200 is the rate in miles per hour that the plane flies at.